Hello friends, welcome to Learning City. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how artificial intelligence can help you in creating amazing PowerPoint presentation. If you are creating a new presentation and you don't know what to insert in the background, you are still confused. You should have a good internet connections. Go to Home and click on the designer. Without writing any material, the artificial intelligence will generate amazing PowerPoint background slide. See more ideas, select any one of these. It is totally free. Let's say I'm going to select this one. It will take a couple of seconds to download the media, and now the slide is inserted. In just a click, you have used artificial intelligence to create this beautiful background slide. Let's say I'm going to undo this, and let's say I'm going to create a presentation about artificial intelligence. This is my topic, and just in a couple of seconds, the artificial intelligence and designer ideas has provided me with this beautiful, easy available presentation slides. In just a single click, I can apply these slides. I'm going to select this one. Let's make some changes. I don't want to add a subtitle. Delete this one. It will refresh and will again apply another slide. So this is how you can use a simple designer theme as artificial intelligence. Now for the next slide, let's say I'm going to insert how artificial intelligence works, how AI works. Open Google Chrome, open ChatGPT and ask him how AI works. You very well know about what is ChatGPT and what it can do. It will provide me a list of details how artificial intelligence works. I will select each one and then using the designer idea to generate a good and attractive PowerPoint presentation which is professional looking. It will take a couple of seconds to generate points. This is what ChatGPT has provided me. I can just copy it. This is the first point. I'm creating a PowerPoint presentation, so this is the first step. Click designer idea and it will give me simple point. See, in just a click, it can provide me a good and amazing PowerPoint presentation slides. If I want to change it, don't worry, in just a click you can use it. I'm going to insert another slide. Continue. Now in similar way, copy another one. Click designer idea, and just in just a single click it can provide you look. It's amazing PowerPoint. You don't have to think about the background, everything. The artificial intelligence of the Microsoft 365 will help you out in this regard. If you want a simple one, you can use this one, and if you want to insert with the icon, you can use this one. Again, in similar way, create points for all slide. See, I haven't wrote anything, but still the designer ideas has provided me with the good looking slides. See, in just a click I can apply this one. I have inserted bullets for all the slides. Click on designer idea and just apply it. Let's say your boss told you to insert a picture. Go to stock images, under the insert tab, Wait for a couple of seconds and type artificial intelligence. It will provide you a bunch of pictures. Let's say I am choosing this one and just insert this picture. Once the picture is inserted, click on home and click on the designer tab. It will automatically manage your picture in amazing ways. See, in just a single click I can use multiple ways. Similarly, for the next one, if you want a simple one, you can use, and if you want to insert picture from your device, let's say I'm selecting picture randomly. Now apply transition, apply to all, so this is how you can use artificial intelligence to create your presentation. For more updates and video, subscribe this channel, like this video. Thank you.